Welcome to Zazzle.com, your one-stop destination for customizing and creating unique products. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of registering on Zazzle and getting started with your personalized creations. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and visit Zazzle.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. If you're new to Zazzle and don't have an account yet, simply click on the sign in button. This will bring up a drop-down menu with the option to create an account. Click on that option to begin the registration process. Now, you'll be redirected to the registration page. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either sign up with your existing Google or Facebook account by clicking on the respective buttons, or you can create a new account with your email address. If you choose to create a new account, fill in the required information such as your first name, last name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review Zazzle's terms of service and privacy policy. It's important to understand and agree to these policies before proceeding. After reviewing and agreeing to the policies, click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you've successfully registered on Zazzle.com. You now have access to a world of customization possibilities. From personalized clothing and accessories to home decor and stationery, Zazzle has it all. To get started with your creations, simply explore the categories on the Zazzle website. Select a product you'd like to customize, and let your creativity run wild. With the ability to upload your designs or choose from a vast collection of templates, you can make each item truly unique and special. And that's it. You're now ready to embark on your Zazzle journey. Start by registering on Zazzle.com today and unlock a world of personalized products. Have fun exploring, designing, and sharing your creations with others. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Zazzle.com. Note: this script is a general guideline and can be adjusted or customized based on the specific requirements of your video or presentation.